Namaste. When we sit on our mat to practice yoga, something wonderful begins to happen inside our bodies. Even if we can't see it, our brain and every part of our body starts changing for the better. Scientists have studied these changes, and now we can understand why yoga makes us feel so good. But what actually happens in your brain when you practice yoga? When you practice yoga regularly, your brain becomes stronger and healthier. It is as if you are giving it special vitamins every time you breathe deeply and move your body mindfully. During yoga practice, your brain produces more of a substance called GABA, which acts like a natural calming agent. Many researchers in this field, including psychologists and scientists, have measured this and found that after just 1 hour of yoga, this substance called GABA can increase by up to 27%. That's why you feel calmer after your practice. And at the same time, your brain produces less cortisol, known as the stress hormone. With the less cortisol, you feel more relaxed and less anxious throughout the day. Even when you breathe slowly in yoga, you activate a special part of your body called the parasympathetic nervous system. It is like flipping a switch in your body that says, now it's time to calm down and rest. This inbuilt parasympathetic nervous system slows your heart rate, eases your breathing, and relaxes your muscles. Many scientists have taken images of the brain of people who practice yoga regularly and have seen something amazing. They notice that the part of the brain that helps us think better, remember things, and stay calm are larger and function more efficiently. It's as if these areas of the brain are exercising and becoming stronger every time you practice yoga. While your brain strengthens, your body also improves in many ways, especially the heart becomes healthier. Yoga helps blood circulate better throughout your body. People with high blood pressure can see their blood pressure decrease by approximately 5 points when they practice yoga regularly. This is a real significant health improvement. But the effect of yoga don't just stop there. Your immune system, like an army of tiny soldiers protecting you from getting sick, also becomes stronger with yoga. Many studies have concluded that people who practice yoga regularly have more protective soldiers in their blood called immunoglobulin A and natural killer cells. That's why people who do yoga tend to get sick less often, and when they do, they recover faster. Yoga also helps your body use sugar from blood more efficiently. This is especially important in children and elderly because poor sugar metabolism can lead to diabetes. Yoga helps prevent this by improving how your body responds to insulin, the substance that regulates blood sugar. Nonetheless, a very special part of your body that improves with yoga is the fascia. Fascia is like soft fabric that surrounds all your muscles and organs like a special suit inside you. And when you practice yoga, tissues and your fascia becomes hydrated, more flexible and smooth, helping you move better and experience less pain. Many people with chronic pain find relief through yoga. This happens because yoga doesn't just stretch the muscle, it also teaches the brain to perceive pain differently. Doctors have observed that people with back pain, arthritis, other issues experience less pain after practicing yoga. So there is no doubt about it. Someone who practices yoga will feel better than someone who doesn't. And I don't say this because I'm a yoga instructor. As a matter of fact, I only found out at the later years of my life because I was trying to deal with my own pain first. That's why I'm so excited to have so many students and aspiring instructors at my academy. But the same could be said for any physical activities, right? Not really. Yoga works a little differently than everything else. You can train your body and your muscles, but training your mind and spirit is a whole different story. When you practice yoga and pay attention to how each part of your body feels, you create a spatial connection between your mind and your body. This connection helps you understand yourself better. You begin to notice when you're tired, when you need to move more, or when you need to rest. It's like learning to listen to what your body is telling you. Yoga is not just exercise, like running or jumping. It's an ancient and a spatial way of caring for your own entire being. Every time you do yoga pose and breathe consciously, you help your brain and body work better together. The best part is that anyone can get these benefits. It doesn't matter if you're young or old, flexible or not. All you need is a regular yoga practice and self-compassion. By following any of the routines I have uploaded to this channel, you can care for your body, transform your physiology and mental state in a way that scientists have proven works and that people have been practicing for thousands of years. There are some interesting facts you might not have known. In classical Indian society, yoga was used alongside Ayurveda, the foundation of traditional Indian medicine, to prevent diseases and balance the body's energies. In Buddhist society, Tibetan monks used poses and deep breathing to maintain body temperature in cold climates and meditate for hours. Ascetics claimed to live beyond 100 years thanks to yoga. I can't promise you that. If you start practicing yoga today, you will live to be 100, but I can promise that you will feel better. Would you like to start practicing yoga, but don't know where to begin? Perhaps you are considering a career as a yoga instructor to help others release their physical and emotional pain. I will leave all the information you need in the description below.